Hello everyone, my name is Ramandeep Kaur Johal and I am from Apollo campus in Melbourne. Today I am going to present about CISRO global megatrends and the impacts on the future of global transportation industry by 2030 and the perspective of strategic intelligence. This is my assessment 2 from THT 3112 Global Tourism and Hospitality Future Unit. There are 8 sectors of tourism. According to SEN, the tourism industry might be divided into 8 sectors: accommodation, attraction, adventure tourism and recreation, events and conferences, food and beverages, transportation, tourism service, and travel trade. Let's begin with the importance of transportation in tourism. Tourism strategies and the leisure behaviors are gently impacted by the transportation system. The relevance of transport is not only comprised with the socio-economic development but also incorporate the relationship between different nations and states, as it play the role in favor of movement of goods and people, drastically impact the world's economy along with the international tourism. Without transportation, there would not be the movement and travel industry. Individuals would not have intent to arrive at somewhere else that they want to see. Thus, the improvement of transportation is connected to the advancement of the travel industry. If global the travel industry develops, universal transportation additionally develops. The future of transportation in tourism industry by 2030. Location, capacity, efficiency and connectivity are the 4 key points of transportation are expected to be gone through an epoch-making change by 2030. It is being predicted that travel mobility would be influenced by a pervasive range of both the internal and external factors in coming 20 or 25 years. The exponential growth in the number of travelers, the emergence of safety issues and a rapid change in the perception of tourists, immigration policy development, innovation in the transportation infrastructure development all would hit the transportation segment very hard by the decade in 2030. The technological advancement would make it easier to maintain the international standard of the rate of carbon emission. The importance of strategic intelligence scanning in tourism. It can easily collect and analyze the strategy-seeking business information. It is a systematic and conscious process to address the development required and making a comparison between the existing and desired objectives in tourism industry. It applies the intelligence of strategic value in action, help in long-term decision making. Application of strategic intelligence in the tourism industry with the near future context. According to Heskovic, Cook and Little Boy presented in CISRO report, there are several strategies that might be implemented upon the tourism industry in the near future context, among which below can be taken into account: decision making and strategy, megatrend Venn diagram, information sources, identification and update of megatrends. Now I am going to talk about 5 CISRO global megatrends and their impact on the transportation. The first one is more from less. An exponential growth in demand leading to an unprecedented increase in production under our limited natural resources. The impacts: demand growth would be influenced in the tours and traveling too, leading to an unpredicted growth in vehicle production. Limited natural resources would have opened a new dimension in producing vehicle in a lesser amount of resource, leading to the implementation of modern technology. Number 2, going on. A perilous condition for the biodiversity and the global ecology, along with the increased rate of the greenhouse emission. Although there is a conscious human response to fighting against the peril, their impacts: new technologies would be developed in the automobile industries and their newer policies and model of business too. They produce vehicle emitting a very lesser amount of greenhouse gas. Research would be developed further to see how other sources of energy can be used automobile to drastically control the greenhouse emission and keeping the biodiversity stable. The third one is Silk Highway, a transitioning trend in the global economy from west to east and north to south, resulting in the emergence of a new export markets, trade relations and business models. Their impacts: the development of new trade routes would develop a globally revolutionary change in transportation process. Our aviation technology would be impacted by a huge thrust of development and transformation with respect to security, facility and comfort and speed. New routes of transportation would reveal the newer scopes of employment too, make it a highly impactful sector for both labor intensity and capital intensity in world economy. The fourth one is the virtually here, an unprecedented growth in the internet connectivity leading to an epoch-making change in communication through the development of the virtual connectivity that would impact heavily in every aspect of socio-economic and business operations, bringing an exponential speed and ease. Their impacts: the transportation experience can be highly impacted by the uses of internet. Advanced GPS technology along with the automation process can bring an epoch-making changes in the driving experiences. If the mega trend is great expectations, the overwhelming demand for experience over product, and the expanding relevance of social relationship, including the demand for personalized service for satisfying unique needs. The impacts: the general demand for tours, travels, and visiting places, along with the expectations for experience those in luxurious way, would suggest a good drive in the transportation industry. Personalization and unique demand would instigate in developing more luxurious and personalized transporting vehicle and transportation experiences. The key issues dealing with the tourism industry in the future are: along with the advanced economics, the developed and the emerging economics are rising with the better education, health, and financial capability, leading to a better longevity and passion to travel and explore. The population of the earth is expected to be 9.7 billion in 2050, among which the share of the people having the age more than 60 years would be double than that. Impact of traveling mobility in the tourism industry in the recent future. Transport play a significant part in the tourism industry that developed the tourism market through the introduction of several new destinations for traveling. The key phenomenon of transport systems such as location, efficiency, and the connectivity may play a major role in the destination development. These are the references for my work, and thank you for watching.